Welcome. In front of me I have the Motorola G51, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. So I do have mine right over here. Just quickly take it out. So there we go. And in here you should also find, there we go, this little garbage. The reason why I'm calling this garbage is because these wet wipes are the smallest thing you can possibly find. And additionally, apart from the size of those, sometimes the wet wipe is just so old that it's dry. So just gonna throw that out and use a microfiber cloth because it's bigger and more reliable, and it does the job just as well. So anyway, to get started, you want to clean out the display. There we go. And now you will see that the glass that I will be applying is a little bit smaller than the actual display. It's completely fine. Truth be told, I'm using a tempered glass for, what the heck is this? Galaxy A32. But it doesn't really matter. It still covers roughly the entire display, as you can see. So that's basically all I really want to do. So yeah. So for you, obviously, you will have probably a correct tempered glass for your phone, which the process is basically the same. The way I apply my glass is to basically first place it down, single end of it, to the point that I want it to be. Align it just basically so it's evenly spaced out right here, from the sides and also the bottom. And then while holding it with one finger, I just basically drop it on the display. Now I lower it down a little bit, and right before it reaches the end, I will drop it. And from there, once it's laying on the display, it will start kind of gluing itself. If it doesn't, just give it a tap and it should go. So anyway, I'm gonna set that to the side for now. And I'm gonna make sure that the display is clean, because I did just smear it up. Now you do want to keep the cloth near you. You will need it once again in a second. So right now I'm gonna peel off the film right here. Grab the cloth. Make sure that there's no dust on the display. And then apply it. As you can see, it's right now. There we go. So it's now glued completely. Now I did kind of mess it up. Someone will probably have to deal with this, but as you can see, I did mess up with the camera. It's the notch is, the notch for the glass is kind of in the middle of the actual camera. Let's see how that affects it. It actually you can't really see a difference. There is this weird haloing. I'm pretty sure that's because of the actual glass. But yeah, that's about it. So anyway, that is how you apply a tempered glass to this phone. Though, like I mentioned, this is just a little bit of a different glass. I didn't have one on hand specifically for this phone. The process is basically the same. So anyway, if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.